Hello, welcome to my class. Today we'll solve few problems on beams. The problems are sent from students. So we'll see one by one. First problem, determine the distance x of the load P from the support A if the reaction Ra is twice as great as reaction Rb. Take P equal to 2 kilonewton and Q equal to 1 kilonewton. So here we need to find what is the value of X if Ra equal to 2 times of Rb. And the value of P is given is 2 kilonewton and Q is 1 kilonewton. At point A, we have two reactions since it is a hinge. One is vertical, other is horizontal. And at point B, it is a roller. We have only one vertical reaction. And the value of P is 2 kilonewton. The value of Q is 1 kilonewton. And if I replace all the supports by reactions, we should get this Ray, Rax, Rb, and the value of P is 2 kilonewton. The value of Q is 1 kilonewton. So we need to find X. There is no horizontal force, hence Rax must be equal to 0. And second condition is Ra must be equal to 2 times of Rb. So first we apply summation of Fy equal to 0. Then I have Ra, Rb minus of 2 minus of 1. But we know that Ra plus Rb equal to 3, this total. Then what is Ra? Ra value is Ra equal to 2b. I will substitute Ra equal to 2b. Then it will be 3 Rb equal to 3. Therefore, Rb equal to 1 kilonewton. Then Ra is 2 times of Rb. Therefore, Ra equal to 2 kilonewton. These are the reactions. Then we take moment with respect to O equal to 0. Moment at A equal to 0. Here with respect to this. Then here all clockwise movement I am taking positive, all anti-clockwise movement I am taking negative. With respect to A, 2 kilonewton, with respect to point A, 2 kilonewton it is clockwise, therefore it is positive. Next I have 1 kilonewton for this. This is also positive. 1 into total distance is x plus 3, that is x plus 3. Then I have Rb. Rb will move with respect to point A anti-clockwise. Rb into 12. Solving this, we get x equal to 3 meter. That is the answer. We'll move to next problem. Determine the position of 100 Newton load on the beam such that the reaction at the supports are equal for the beam loaded as shown in figure. That is the condition. So 50 Newton acts 1 meter from point A. 100 Newton is acting at a distance x. We have to find distance x. And here a cantilever portion 20 Newton meter is acting. So one thing is I need to replace first or directly you can take this. So first is given is Ra must be equal to Rb. I apply summation of Fy equal to 0. Then Ra plus Rb, that is this Ra plus Rb minus of 50 minus of 100. Then this UDL is acting downward, that is 20 into 3. So Ra plus Rb minus 210. Therefore Ra and then Rb equal to, you will get 105 Newton. Next, moment with respect to B must be equal to 0. So here Ra into 4. This Ra into this distance is 4 meter and it is moving clockwise, hence I have taken positive. 50 it is acting with respect to point B anti-clockwise, 100 also it is acting anti-clockwise. Therefore, I will take it as a negative. So 50 into 3 meter. From this end to this end, it is 3 meter. Therefore, it is 50 into 3. Then we have 100 into x. Then other end, 20 into this 3 meter is a load. It will act at the midpoint. Therefore, from here to here it is 1.5 meter, or you can say 3 by 2. Therefore, 20 into 3 into 3 by 2. So, what is the value of RA? RA is 105 Newton. So, I will substitute here, and if I solve, I will get x equal to 3.6 meter. If x is 3.6 meter, then we get RA must be equal to RB. This is the second type of problem. Next, find the length x so that the reactions at both the supports are equal for the beam shown in figure. So this is the given. I need to find this is x such a way that RA must be equal to RB. So first summation of Fi equal to 0, RA plus RB minus 75 minus 50 minus of 8 Newton into this entire span, that is 5 plus 2 plus x, that is the load. So if you solve this, you will get RB equal to 4x plus 90.5. This is one equation. Then I will apply moment at A must be equal to 0. Then we get this 50 into up to this distance is total 7 meter. 50 into 7 clockwise positive. Then this 8 kilonewton from here to here. This I am taking. This total distance is 7. So 8 into 7 is the load into 7 by 2 is the distance. So 8 into 7 square by 2. Then this RB is anti-clockwise. So minus RB into distance is 5 minus this load is acting anti-clockwise, 75 into x. Then about this 8 kilonewton load, 8 into x square by 2 minus anti-clockwise. So if you solve this, and you have to substitute RB equal to 4x plus 90.5. This value I will substitute and I will elaborate. You will get a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. Then if you solve this quadratic equation, you will get the value of x equal to 0.946 meters. X equal to 0.946 meters. Okay, we'll go to next problem. A beam ABCDE as a flexible link BC as shown in figure. Determine the support reactions at ADE. So this is given. This is given. You can say that A, B and a vertical element here C, D, E. The link, the BC is a two force member which is shown here. Two force member are applied on it only at the end B and C. This is two force member. Hence, it will have axial force which we assume to be tension. So, I will convert this leader into point load. I will show all support. I will remove all the supports and it is shown by all respective reactions. So, at A, we have two reactions, AY and AX. And this 2 into 5, 10 kilonewton point load, it will act at a midpoint. There is 2.5 meter distance from A and B. And the roller support at point D, this is RD. And at E, EX and EY, two reactions. So I need to convert into two beams. This is one beam and this is second beam. And it is connected by CB, means this will be under tension and this will be under tension. So this is what it will have. So CB, I will cut in tension, that is FC. Here B to C, it is FC. These are the reaction. Now I have to consider separate parts for this. AB as a one span, CDE as a another span to find all the unknown forces. Here unknown forces are AX, AY, FC, RD, EY, EX. I need to find all the forces. So you can see this FC downward, right? So all unknown forces we need to find. So first case, what I will do, I will consider the member AB. Then I will apply moment at A must be equal to 0. I will get 10 into 2.5, that is clockwise positive. FC, it will act anti-clockwise, distance is 5 meter. If I solve this, I will get FC equal to 5 kilonewton. That is one reaction. Then since there is no horizontal forces, therefore summation of Fx equal to 0, that is my Ax must be equal to 0. Then summation of Fy equal to 0, I will get Ay, that is this upward, minus 10 plus Fc, but Fc is 5 kilonewton, I have substituted, therefore Ay you will get 5 kilonewton, that is nothing but your Ra. Since my Rax is 0, Rax must be 0, so Ay is nothing but your Ra. That is my first reaction. Now consider member CDE, this member. I will apply moment at D must be equal to 0. Then here minus Fc. Then you have minus Fc into 3. Then 10 into 1 meter. Then minus Ey into 3 meter. Right? So this Ex is passing through point D. So that is equal to 0. So and Fc, you know, it is 5 kilonewton. Then substituting all and solving for Ey, you will get minus 1.667 kilonewton. That means your Ey we are taken like this, but actually it is acting reverse. My assumed direction is reverse since I got here minus. Then summation of Fx, that there is no horizontal forces, therefore Ex must be equal to 0. Summation of Fy equal to, I have minus Fc plus Rd minus 10 plus Ey. So I know Ey is minus 1.667, Fc is 5 kilonewton, unknown is Rd. You can able to calculate the value of Rd. Rd is 16.667. So these are the problems which students have sent to me to solve. So I believe you got the solutions. If you have any specific problem to solve, you just mail me or you send that problem to my WhatsApp. So we'll solve that problem. Thank you.